Hey guys, welcome back. I'm really excited today. I just got my Mother's Day box. My wonderful family, my husband and my children for Mother's Day ordered me Spiral Rain, and it's another Canadian company. It is from Quebec, Canada, so I'm excited to see. And they didn't just get me like a Witchy Box or an Apothecary Box. They were wonderful. Let's see if I can get rid of some glare here. They got me 4 subscription boxes in one. So apparently I have the Apothecary. There's a subscription box that Spiral Rain has called the Balm box. I got the Crystal box and I got the Witchy Box. So I am really excited to see this. So let's dig in. I'll try to light up here so we can see what's inside. Okay, so I already cut this to get it ready to go. And I really like on it when they sent it, how they put handle with care, fragile, and then they have the Made in Canada sticker. So I've been waiting for this. So, holy moly. And this box is pretty heavy. So the first thing, when we dig in the box, looks like that. Pretty neat. So we got a card here. Let's see here. I'm trying to, it's getting dark where I am, so I'm trying. Sorry for the glare, guys. But it says, little things seem nothing, but they give peace like those meadow flowers which individually seem odorless, but altogether perfume the air. So there's that, and there's the back. And we got this with a crystal on it, and it says Lipidolite. So it has all the information on Lipidolite. So there's that. Okay. Oh, wow. Holy moly. Okay. Seems like I got a novel here. So it says Spiral Rain. So this is the June box for Spiral Rain. June 2021 of Volume 1, Number 1. That is beautiful. All about the moon there. Wow, this is a lot of pages. Okay, we're gonna leave this till the end so we can go through it, because that's almost a novel there. Okay, so we will sit that there. So this is what it's looking like so far inside. That is pretty cool. I'm trying not to rip it. Wow. So this is what it looks like. Again, this box is really heavy inside. So we got lime green tissue, dark green tissue, purple tissue. Let's see here to light it so we can see if we can see. There we are. Oh boy. Oh, are the stickers made? No. I don't know, by the seams of it, what's going to be what? I guess this is just a big surprise. I guess so. Everything all nicely wrapped. And so the one thing that I was told on this box is that everything is vegan and all natural. So that's pretty exciting. So I guess we'll go with the light green tissued stuff. So I'm not sure what box it's supposed to be from. Ooh. So we got a sweetgrass braid. Oh, that smells like lemongrass. I'm not sure if it is, but it smells like it. That is cool. Awesome. So we got a tea, a jasmine green jasmine. So it's moon tea. I gotta remember because it's in French, starts in French and then Canadian. So that's a good size bag of tea here. So, where are you for Canadian? So the most popular jasmine green tea with a delicate, clean taste and the subtle aroma of jasmine blossoms. That will be very good. So let's see here. So we got a little green sachet. Oh, with a little crystal animal. Oh my gosh, I don't have any little animal shapes at all. So we got this cute little guy. So this is the wild boar for spirit animal. Aww. This guy is so cute. So here is the card with all the information that came with it. So the wild boar spirit brings mighty courage, fertility, and strength. Wild boars are solitary and do not need others to know what they have to do. The females are very protective of what is important to them. Wow. That is awesome. So we got white willow bark. So maybe it's for the apothecary. So maybe this is the apothecary box. So it's a good size tin. Oh wow, it's nice and full. So there's the white willow bark. So the next thing we got is lemon balm. So this one must be the apothecary box. Okay. Oh, I love lemon balm, lemongrass, lemon verbena. So you get pretty good size tins. Any more green? Oh, yes we do. Oh. This one's a pretty big one. So we got a jar. Oh, that is lovely. Oh, got a beautiful moon water jar. Oh, that is pretty. Oh my goodness. That's a pretty, really good sized bottle. Aw, I really, really like that. Is there any more green in here? Yes, there is, down at the bottom. Oh, this one's kind of big. Try not to knock everything out. So by the looks of it, we got a book. Oh, I don't have this book yet. Awesome. So, The Modern Witchcraft Guide to Magical Herbs. And this is by Judy Ann Nook, or Knock. Oh, there's the back. So it has all the herbs by the looks of it to make tonics. Sachets. It's hard to see with the glare there, sorry guys. That is awesome. Okay, so this is the green. I think that's everything. I think so. So I'm assuming with the herbs in it that must be the Apothecary section of the box. I hope I have enough room here for the 4 boxes. Awesome. All right, so next we're gonna dig into is the pink tissue paper. They're all on top by the seams of it. Oh, nice. So we got a pink sachet with, by the looks of it, a crystal necklace in it. Oh my God, that is beautiful. So it's a big, thick, okay, I'm not gonna play with this. It's knotted at the moment. I'm not sure what crystal this is, but it's a big teardrop. And there's the back. That is very pretty. With all there is white lines all going through the black. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. So the next thing we got is so we got some hem white sage incense cones. And next item so we got another pink sachet. Oh my goodness, I got another little crystal spirit animal. I got a little crocodile. He is so cute. So here is the card with the information about the crocodile. So the crocodile. The crocodile spirit brings raw power, quick reactions, and a sense of self-preservation. Crocodiles are aggressive and stand their ground. They are respected by their peers and are masters at blending in with their environment. I wonder if Spiral Rain just gave these to every one of the spirit animals, or if they like intuitively chose them for you. I'm not sure. Oh, this one's a little bit heavy. Oh my goodness, we got a nice big raw selenite half crescent moon. This is one shape I don't have yet. Oh, I love selenite. I am absolutely loving this box right now. So we got another crystal, so another pink sachet. We got, by the looks of it, an angel light. That's it for the pink. So that is it for the pink. I'm not sure if I'm gonna assume that this might be the crystal box because everything is crystal in it, or the Om box. I'm not sure. I think maybe the crystal because we got 4 crystals and sage. I don't know, but I'm loving it. So I guess we'll go with the black next. I'm trying to make room for everything. There's a lot of stuff in this box. Oh boy, it's like Christmas. I got a big stash of tissue paper beside me. So we got Celine Incense. So this must be the goddess Celine. So there's that. There's a beautiful picture there of a lady on the front. That's nice how they did that. It doesn't say what kind. It just says from the goddess collection. Okay, let's see. Oh boy. I hope I'm gonna have enough room here. Okay, so these all came together. That came together. So here's our third pile. So we got another crystal in the pretty black sachet here. I'm not sure what it is. It looks like an actual like rock. I've never seen whatever this is before. It almost looks like stucco. It's kind of powdery. It's kind of powdery. So that's pretty neat. We got a moon phase bookmark. Got a candle. So a Celine candle, and this one is Woodsy Jasmine, and this is so cute. They put on a crescent moon pendant. That is really nice. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Oh, wow. That is really pretty inside. Oh, you can smell that jasmine. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. There's like tinfoil on there and lots of crystals. Kind of looks like, to me, moonstone, but I'm not sure. And it smells so good. Oh, it smells wonderful. Wow. All right, let's see if there's anything else with black tissue paper. Yes, there is. We got one more. Oh no, we got a couple more in here. Oh wow, that's a big bottle. So we got a Celine Mist. That is a really big bottle. Wow. Let's see. Oh, that smells so good. I think that's jasmine too, maybe. All right, in it is distilled water, floral jasmine water, essential oil of jasmine, sandalwood, lemon, and a hint of perfumer's alcohol with moonstones. Oh, yeah, you can hear some crystals in there. Wow, that is wonderful. Oh my goodness. I really got spoiled from Mother's Day. Oh, there's a big one. By the looks of it, we got another book. Look at that. Oh, wow. So we got Soul Magic, Ancient Wisdom for Modern Mystics, Spirit Nourishing Self-Care Healing Crystals, Essential Oils, and Cosmic Guidance. And this book is by Arizona Bell and Morgan Garza. Wow, it's hard to see the back. So in this book, you will discover how to maximize the life-changing power of crystals, herbs, and essential oils, unblock your 7 chakras and bring harmony to your whole self, use tarot cards to heighten your awareness and steer you towards your best future, observe a full day of rest and relaxation, no matter how busy your life may be, progress beyond traditional thinking to find true peace and satisfaction. That is freaking awesome. Let's see if I can fit this stuff here. I am running out of room. Okay, I'm gonna have to move this and shuffle this stuff down, because there is one more. So I'm assuming that that stuff was the Balm box. Okay. All right. I'm gonna pull what's left in here out, and it's all purple. Alright, that is everything left in the box. Okay, so I'm assuming then this one is going to be the Witchy Box. So we got a Moon Fruity Jasmine hand poured candle. Oh, that is pretty. Oh my God, that one smells so good too. Oh my goodness. There is beautiful purple flowers on top and a crystal inside. And there's the label on it. That smells so good. I am loving this box. Get some light here so we can see. So a nice purple sachet. Oh. Oh, we got a bracelet and a necklace. Oh, wow. So by the looks of it, it's lava beads and maybe black obsidian or black onyx. And then there is a gold bead on there. And then the beautiful necklace. I'm not sure, it's either black onyx or black obsidian. And then there's another crystal on it, and it's so cool. There's a little crescent moon. That is beautiful. So we got an incense, essential oil, and it is called Spiritual Intent. So this is jasmine and sandalwood with moonstones. Oh, you can hear the crystals in there, and it's in a lovely dark blue bottle. Beautiful. And then the last item in the box is we got a beautiful, I'm not sure which way to go here, some artwork in a frame. That is very pretty. Wow, this this is a lot of stuff. Okay, let's go through the booklet here. I'm not sure, so all the sections are together. This may be the Witchy Box this month. I'm not sure. They didn't have little stickers on them to separate them. I'm not gonna go through absolutely everything in here, but I will see maybe if we can find what box is what and see what some of the pages are about. So we got our cover page. So on the back it says the month of balance, cycles, and celebration. Dim this down some more so you can take off the glare. There we go. So there's that. So our contents. So about in the pages is about June, moons, Cancer, Litha, Celine, spells and rituals, box contents, a word from Spiral Rain. So there's that. On the back of this one is holidays, pagan festivals, and important dates in June. Tells you about the full moon, Roman festival of Vestalia, Celtic tree month. So Hawthorn ends, oak begins. Hanging of Bishop. Birthday of Gerard Gardner. Okay. I have a lot of reading to do. So there's that one. Okay. It is the month of June, the month of leaves and roses, when pleasant signs salute the eyes and pleasant scents the noses. And then it has the moon in Gemini, full moon in Capricorn, so moon magic, flower moon, that's next month. This month, sorry, it's June already. And the correspondences. So there is that. Wow, I'm just so like overwhelmed. And then about the beautiful strawberry moon. Beautiful pages they put on. I guess a full moon tarot spread. So we got spells and rituals. There's that. And then about Cancer. A nice drawing there of the crab. And then there's a page, everything about Cancer. This beautiful page. Another beautiful picture of the crabs. So born in June, Cancer affirmations, and then Litha. So the history, the legends, and lore. Deities of the summer solstice, the Native American sun dance, the Roman Vestalia festival, sun worship. The magic of stone circles, Ra, sun god of ancient Egypt, the Holly King versus the Oak King. Solar magic, myth and lure, the magic and folk of fireflies. This is beautiful sunflower page. I really like that one. And then Litha. Correspondences, from food to herbs and plants to magic to gemstones to trees to fays. tools, symbols, decorations, customs, gods, goddesses, incense, oil, ritual magic. And then, oh, cool. There's some litho recipes, setting sun taco salad, bright memories litho parfait, solstice herb bread, fairy nectar, midsummer cookies. Fairy honey cakes, green garden goddess dip, midsummer ritual mead. And then it goes on to talk about Celine, the teacher of magic. So it has her correspondences and it talks about her. And then there is a chant that you can say to her. And then there is a ritual dedicated to Celine. And then to honor and nurture the self. There is just so much paperwork. So there is a 2021 Void of Course Moon calendar for like every day from when it begins to when it ends. A whole bunch of that. So, working with Celine in the Void of Course Moon. Moon-themed food for your next espit or ritual. So there is a page on for all your moon waters. And then phases of the moon, rituals to practice for each of the moon phases. Ritual for the dark moon, the new moon, the waning moon. So about the, okay, so the Om box has got to be with the picture, the oil, the candle, the bracelet, and the necklace, I'm assuming. Yes, okay, so the items from the Om box were in the purple wrapping paper. So it tells about the oil that was in it. And then the moon affirmation candle. The necklace and bracelet set. Does it really say? Okay, so it doesn't say. It might be a piece of labradorite in the middle. Okay, yes. So we got the black onyx and labradorite necklace with the black onyx, volcanic stone, and copper bracelet. So there's that. So we got the moon frame. Okay, so the one with the selenite moon, the crystals, is the crystal box. Okay, so we got the puffed selenite crescent moon. And everything on how to use selenite, the metaphysical properties. So we got angel light. So I was right, all the properties. So we got a dolomite crocodile. And then it tells you what dolomite is, the metaphysical benefits of it, how to use it. So there's our little crocodile. And our stone pendant necklace and our white sage incense cones. And a beautiful picture on the back. Okay, the Apothecary Box. So this was the Apothecary Box with the book, the grass, the 2 herbs, the moon water, the boar, and the tea. So it tells you about the sweet grass, braids, and then our dolomite boar. Our moon tea. Tells you the story, the folklore, and the history about the birth of the jasmine blossom. Our lemon balm, the magical uses of it, the name of it, the tradition of it. The moon water bottle. The white willow wood chips. Tells you about the willow, the traditional, the magical. The Modern Witchcraft Guide to Magical Herbs book. Wow, there's so much. The Celine Incense. Our affirmation candle on Celine. The Celine Mist. The Soul Magic book. Okay, so that little white stone, this little guy, is a goddess stone. That's one I have never seen or used before. So your chakras, it's good for the root and base. Fairy stone. So the metaphysical benefits of goddess stones. So it's, is it a fairy stone then? I'll have to read all that later. This is a lot of reading. Our bookmark. And it just shows pictures there, the boxes. Wow, this is a lot of stuff. Okay, so that is everything So this is everything for Spiral Rain for June. So the Apothecary, the Om box, the Witch box, and the Crystal box. I do say I am very blessed and very thankful to my wonderful family and from my kids and my husband for this as my Mother's Day present. It was definitely worth waiting for, and I think my husband may have got me hooked onto another subscription box. All I know is he told me that for all the 4 boxes, it was like $147, something like that. It was almost $150, and then for the whole box, and then it was $20 extra for shipping. So he said it came to $161 or something like that for the box. And all I know of the information, oh, here we go on the back here. So I know Spiral Rain is in Quebec, Canada, but it is from Trois Rivières, Quebec. So thank you guys for watching, and thanks, and have a great night. Bye.